Hi neighbors, welcome to my channel. My name is Jerry Ellen. It's my pleasure to have you here. I'm in the middle of a mess. I've been doing cookie recipes and I want to share one with you. I forgot to do an intro, so here I am saying hello for an intro. I am just going to get right into the video. Christmas day is like around the corner, so I need to pitter patter. Let's get at her. Okay, neighbors, the recipe that I'm going to share today, I know it as cherry winks, but I heard my friend Belinda told me that she calls them, or they call them, Santa winks. So I like that name, so I'm going to call them Santa winks going forward. So in a bowl here, I have a half a cup of soft butter that I'm going to start kind of creaming up a little bit before I add the other ingredients. I forgot to ask how you all are today. I hope that you're all doing very well, and I hope that you're getting all ready for Christmas in a relaxed kind of way where you don't feel all rushed and flustered and everything, and just enjoying what you're doing and who you're with and who you're going to see, where you're going to go. I hope that it's all going very well. Now in my sifter here, I added 1.5 cups of powdered sugar or icing sugar. Usually that's what I call it, confectionery sugar, icing sugar. So I'm just putting that through the sifter so there's no lumpies. I'm just rubbing the sugar into the butter before I turn it on there so it doesn't go flying in my face. Oh, and before I forget, you want to add a cup of shredded coconut. Fine shredded works best for this recipe. The book that I am using on my counter there, oh my gosh, all the goodies and all the wonderful things in it. It's called Company is Coming, and it's a Christmas version of the recipes, a recipe collection of Christmas type stuff in it. So I'm just going to squish this all in together, cream it in together. Sometimes it's just easier to use a spatula, and rather than have a bunch of powdered sugar all over myself or all over the counter. And of course, I don't have to tell you to make sure that you wash your hands and all that stuff, like make sure your hands are clean if you're going to be touching food. I just say that too because I want people to know that that's what I do. Because sometimes you might have someone, because I edited it out, may not know that my hands have been washed. Actually, my hands been so washed this particular day. This is on Friday. I started making some cookies and stuff, and my hands were getting sore from washing them. I just put this is not part of the recipe, but I always put a little bit, an extra bit of shredded coconut on my silicone mat when I'm rolling out this log. Just because, I don't know, that's what I do. But anyway, I roll it out. You want it to be, you want to get 40, try to get 40 equal sized pieces. Because over to the side, I have a little bowl with, I had 20 machino cherries that I cut in half. So these are half pieces that you use. So you have 40 pieces. And you take a piece of the machino cherry and you grab the dough, like one that's been cut up, like you grab a piece of the dough. You push the machino cherry into it, and then you're going to roll this little ball in graham cracker crumbs. Or if you don't have graham crackers, you can use like a digestive biscuit. You could probably, what would taste good? This probably tastes good with Oreo crumbs too. I never tried that, but it probably would taste good because chocolate and cherry goes well together. Here's what I did, how I'm packaging them, and I got a tip for you I'm going to tell you in a second, but not to get ahead of myself. I picked up at the Dollarama the little cupcake liners that were Christmas themed, and I picked up a couple of little tins as well to put these in, because I'm going to take these over to Casey and Lucian this weekend. I can't wait to see them this weekend. We have some nice things planned that we're going to do. And oh, neighbors, I'm editing a video after this one that I think you're really, really going to enjoy. We went down to look at lights down in Allura and stuff, and anyway, it was very, very pretty, and I can't wait for you to see it. So please subscribe so you don't miss that video. It's really nice. And anyway, I'm going to show you how I package these up, but a little tip. When you're rolling these, sometimes this could be kind of sticky on your hands. Just kind of wet your hands a little bit so the dough rolls into a nice smooth ball easier for you. So that's my tip-a-rooney. I'm going to just show you this tin here. And I'll leave the recipe in the description box under the video for you all. And thank you so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you neighbors. Peace, love, and God bless. Take care, everyone. Bye.